kí ló dé tó ń fi Ìbàdàn ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́? Àwọn tó dẹ̀ ń fi Ìbàdàn ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́ yẹn ará oko ni wọ́n o. Àwa náà láti ní lọ tí wọ́n bá ti bu yín kẹ́ ẹ bèrè ìlú wọn kẹ́yìn náà bù ti yín padà. Soyinka tó gba Nobel ó yẹ kó rúbọ fún Ìbàdàn o, kó gbé lọ sórí ìta mẹ́ta o. Tunde Kilani dà, mo rí Tunde Kilani àtàkì wọn wá kí mi lẹ́ẹ̀kan mo lẹ́ sá lọ ẹ dìde o ẹ dìde mainframe ẹ rí mainframe yẹn tá a bá yọ Ìbàdàn kúrò ń bẹ̀ mainframe ti collapse o òpòlérò ó ti wó lulẹ̀ o. Ẹ lọ wo eré wọn ìtẹ́yìn ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kọ̀dẹ́lẹ́à eré Fẹ́mi Ọ̀ṣọ́fisán tó fi Ìbàdàn sóríire ni ó ní latest film wọn. Eré wọn tán láìkì jù Akínwùmí Ìṣọ̀lá ló kọ́ o, Ṣàwòrò Idẹ ni Kilani tẹ́wọ́ yẹn fi gbáyé o. Abẹ ṣé ẹ mọ̀ ni ẹ máa sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ pé ẹ bá mọ̀ Kilani tí Ìbàdàn bá gba gbogbo ohun tó yá yín mainframe ó kú dànù o. Fictions oríṣiríṣi àwọn èèyàn tó fi Ìbàdàn sóríire Fẹ́mi Ọ̀ṣọ́fisán wà ń bí o wọ́n fi Ìbàdàn sóríire tẹ́ bá wọ àwọn eré wọn Ìjẹ̀bú kọ́ wọn lọ kó wọn wá o Ìbàdàn wọn ti kó wọn o wọ́n wà ń bí kan bí ìborí wọn lẹ́ẹ̀kan ẹ wà ń bí Ìbàdàn lẹ́ fi sóríire o ṣé mo parọ́ ni Tunde Kilani dà mo rí Tunde Kilani àtàkì wọn wá kí mi lẹ́ẹ̀kan mo lẹ́ sá lọ ẹ dìde o ẹ dìde mainframe ẹ rí mainframe yẹn tá a bá yọ Ìbàdàn kúrò ń bẹ̀ mainframe ti collapse o òpòlérò ó ti wó lulẹ̀ o. Ẹ lọ wo eré wọn ìtẹ́yìn ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kọ̀dẹ́lẹ́à eré Fẹ́mi Ọ̀ṣọ́fisán tó fi Ìbàdàn sóríire ni ó ní latest film wọn. Eré wọn tán láìkì jù Akínwùmí Ìṣọ̀lá ló kọ́ o, Ṣàwòrò Idẹ ni Kilani tẹ́wọ́ yẹn fi gbáyé o. Abẹ ṣé ẹ mọ̀ ni ẹ máa sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ pé ẹ bá mọ̀ Kilani tí Ìbàdàn bá gba gbogbo ohun tó yá yín mainframe ó kú dànù o. Àwọn òwe tó wà ní things fall apart tí wọ́n lówe Ìgbò ni Ìbàdàn bí làjẹbẹ ti rí o. Soyinka tó gba Nobel ó yẹ kó rúbọ fún Ìbàdàn o, kó gbé lọ sórí ìta mẹ́ta o. Wọ́n wá pọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ àtòrí ìtàgé stage play that they've done, and Ibadan has appeared in many novels, many poems, in fiction, so many of them. Tẹ́bákàwé Elechi Amadi, Yejide Kilanko, Abimbola Adelakun, many of these writers, Ibadan gave them the data to write. Èmi tẹ́ ń wò yìí ọmọ kékeré yìí mo ti kọ ìwé 4 memoir lórí òbí ajé. Tí mi ò bá gbé Ìbàdàn, I would not have been able to write A Mouse Sweeter Than Salt. I would not have been able to write Counting the Tiger State. And a book of mine was released last week, Malaika and the Seven Heavens. Àwọn alájà àtàlájà àti mo rí. And also the formation of clubs, Association of Nigerian Authors, Ibadan chapter. So Ibadan is part of the center of African fiction and creative work. And also in music, I devoted an entire chapter to 2 musicians, Barrister and Dada Ikwaka. It's an entire chapter. And I wrote on stereotypes. And it's something that the palace has to work on. Kí ló dé tó ń fi Ìbàdàn ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́? Àwọn tó dẹ̀ ń fi Ìbàdàn ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́ yẹn ará oko ni wọ́n o. Chapter 7 is about the stereotypes. And I posed the question, and I have here a professor who read the chapter, who said I should leave them alone. And I said, I am not going to leave them alone. And it's about time that once they abuse us, we should also abuse them back. The greatest skill we have the language of abuse. They cannot abuse us, and we keep our mouth shut. Ẹ má jẹ́ kán bú wa mọ́ o. Ẹ má jẹ́ kán bú wa mọ́. Àwa náà láti ní lọ. Tí wọ́n bá ti bú yín kẹ́ ẹ bèrè ìlú wọn kẹ́yìn náà bú ti yín padà. The final chapter is on Oba Rashidi Adewolu Ladoja, It's a very long chapter. And what the people expect of him. It will include urban renewal, managing the streets, creating job opportunities for young people. The Olubadan is not the governor and is not the president of Nigeria, but he has power based on tradition. He has the power to call on you and call on me for advice, and he has the power to create a list of certain things that are doable and certain things that are not doable. And I listed many of the activities that he should do, and many of the activities that are possible even as of today. We are having a meeting with him to discuss many of these new initiatives, and I'm glad to be part of that initiative. The MC has thanked many of you for coming, but the audience is far more extensive than the people that is thanking. I mentioned we have people from Kano. Some people came purposely to listen to this lecture from far away, other countries. We have our friends from other towns. I mentioned Tunde Kilani from Abeokuta. Tunde Babawale is here. Dele Ashiru, Provost of College of Technology. I mentioned Professor Shofis earlier. I saw Musuro, booksellers here. They are part of us. They are part of us. And the city has welcomed them. They have houses in the city, and we have been very hospitable to them. We are going to continue with this hospitality. We will benefit from their knowledge, from their resources. We will create new platforms. Some years ago, Musuru and I were proposing an annual Ibadan cultural festival, bringing artists and musicians together. If he still remembers, we discussed that. I even went to his house. This is part of the note that I've sent to the new KBAC. When I was in elementary school, we had this festival competition in drama. In elementary school, I wrote my first play. We should revive that. I'm suggesting the creation of the Olubadan Cup on cultural creativity, on dance, writing poems. In my days, we were natural actors. We could do Nollywood from the age of 10 and 12 because we were already writing scripts, playing on the streets, and using language. Today, to get someone like me who can act like that has become very difficult, because now we have some Ibadan people who don't speak Yoruba, and we have some Ibadan people who don't eat amala. We have to revive this tradition, and I pray, and the president of Ibadan City Council is here, that some of these ideas, creating the Olubadan chair in all the universities here, creating the Olubadan award system, creating the Olubadan Cup in drama, Olubadan Cup in poetry, Olubadan Cup in drama, will revive the glory of this city and retain the city as intellectual capital of Africa. Thank you very much. Mo dúpẹ́ púpọ̀ o. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n fi fàbù dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn. Ṣé kí n ṣe fàbù àbí kí n má ṣe? Ẹ dáhùn. Nígbà tí wọ́n fẹ́ fi mí jẹ bọ́bá àpètàn of Ibadanland, àwọn kábíyèsí tí wọ́n fi mí jẹ, age wọn gbà yẹn was 99. Laba àti rent hall, àti sanwó, laba dé Ìbàdàn, wọ́n bá ní bàbá ti postpone ẹ̀. Àti sanwó. Wọ́n ní wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe tán bá pé 100. Wọ́n ní wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe fún èmi àti Wole Soyinka. làwọn èèyàn wá ń bi mí pé kí ló dé tán ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ mo ní babaláwo wọn ni o pé tí wọn bá fi Falọla joyè wọn ò ní kọjá 100 o mo ní ẹ má bù kábíyèsí o ni mo wá ní ọ̀dọ̀ Aláàfin journalist kan wá dé ó wá ní ẹnu ẹ̀ gbọ́rọ̀ o ó ní bàbá ìyàwó yín ṣe pọ̀ tó báyìí èmi ò wá jẹ́ k'Aláàfin dáhùn wọ́n á ní ìyàwó kan ọdún 4 ìyàwó kejì ọdún 8 ìyàwó kẹta ọdún 12 wọ́n ní gbogbo ìyàwó kọ̀ọ̀kan t'Aláàfin nìyẹn wọ́n fi ń háàdì ọdún 4 sáyé wọn ẹ ṣeun ṣe rí tó bá jẹ́ pé mo ti wá gba àwọ́ọ̀dù yìí báyìí ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé Ìbàdàn ti yẹ mi tó tẹ̀ ní mo dọ́gbọ́n sí ni lórí ìgbà tá a bá lọ́ba tuntun kí n tó gba àwọ́ọ̀dù yìí.